Just like stopping the first. Today we're trying to figure out avocado. But the fruit fell off the peel. But there's a little fruit left on the peel. You getting anything there, Jude? Are you getting anything? Or are you just eating a nasty peel? Getting a little bit. Mmm. You do like avocado. He had lots of guacamole off of Mom's Chipotle burrito bowl the other day.